Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Spond app not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the Spond app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold it here. Just click the I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So here you have to scroll down. Just go to the storage section. Click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. So checking for update is easy. You can go to the Google search bar and search for the Spond app. Just download the latest version and it will work on your device. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.